Domestic markets are shrinking and not as promising as before. To develop yourself, you have to make an international recognition. International business set your brand positioning, promises more earning and profits, and delivers a great and fearless career. IEIM, in association with Export-Import Clinic, offers India's most powerful and full-featured ready-to-ship starter kit for entrepreneurs. This kit consists of practical guidance, reference materials, standard operating procedures, and various control sheets which are essential for any export-import business. This program allows you to decide to become a niche exporter in the crowd, which further helps you to find the winning products and sell them in the target markets. Obviously, this program guides you how to protect payments, how to deal with scams, how to communicate, how to determine the competitive price of a product, how to draft international sales contracts, and how to get various government incentives. Export-Import Clinic conducts useful programs and workshops on various important and powerful topics of international business. Some are: Number 1. $1 Million Exports, 25 Steps Winning Formula. Number 2. Why Your Customer Doesn't Buy From You, In-Depth Analysis and Solutions. Number 3. Where to Sell and What, Finding the Best Products and Markets for Developing Companies. Number 4. 20 Powerful Strategies to Find Genuine Suppliers and Real Buyers. Number 5. Error-Free Advanced Documentations. Number 6. 5 Powerful Instruments to Protect Export Payment and Import Supplies. Number 7. Foreign Trade Policy and Procedures, Simplified for You. Number 8. Simplified the complex Incoterms with practice sessions. Number 9. Compliance Management Simply Simplified. Number 10. 20 Most Profitable Products for Import into India. Number 11. 20 Powerful Saving Ideas for Profitable Export and Import Business. Number 12. How to get EPR certification. Number 13. What is Special Valuation Branch and how to deal with it. Number 14. What and how to apply AEO certificate. Number 15. Trade Finance for Export-Import Business.